How's it, everybody? My name is Keoni. You guys can call me the Hawaiian. So today we're gonna be talking about becoming an electrician and the steps I took into getting where I am today. And so I went to college after high school in the electrical installation and maintenance technology program. And in this program, they taught me the basic use of tools, how to wire plugs, how to wire switches, lights and fans, fan end lights. And so I was able to use this in the field. I'm able to do all these type of things now without being guided. So to be in this field of work, it is important to have a good work ethic, which means you need to have a good attitude, because nobody wants to work with a Debbie Downer. And on top of that, you need to listen to directions. Your boss tell you to do something, just do it, because you talk back, it's most likely you're gonna lose your job. And lastly, don't be afraid to ask questions, because if you think or you assume that you know something and you end up doing it your way when someone tells you to do it another way, the chances are you are going to get someone hurt, whether it's you or someone else. Okay, so the reason why I chose this career and this field of work in the electrical is because there's a wide variety of electrical. There's high voltage and there's low voltage, and there's also PV, like photovoltaic, the solar panels, and then there's also marine electrical. So the low voltage side mainly pertains to your telephone TV in your house. For those of you who know what that is, right on, you know, the one that plugs into the wall, the phone that plugs into the wall, it's called a landline. And then also the stuff that provides cable for like Spectrum, Hawaiian Telcom. That's more the low voltage side. Also fire alarm systems. And the high voltage side is HECO. They provide power to a lot of your homes, you know, like those power lines that you see along the side of the road, or for most of you that have a telephone pole maybe outside of your house and you see a line that comes down straight to your house, yeah, that's high voltage. And so HECO provides that power. And for the marine side, the marine electrical, which I'm doing now, I'm still learning, and it's very interesting because it's not the same as doing, you know, regular houses, buildings, and whatnot. So the best part about this job is that every day is literally a new day, meaning that there's always something different that comes upon that day, whether it's wiring a simple light in the bathroom or powering up street lights, you know. So there's always something different that you're doing. It depends on what your task is. And you know, being an electrician or being what a marine electrician, it's very difficult because everything changes, you know, from providing power from the shore to the ship, to wiring something that's on the ship, and then going back to providing power to a welder or a mechanic that needs power. So it's always something different, but it always keeps you on your toes, and that's what I love about this job. So in conclusion, I'd like to thank everybody for taking the time to listen, even though I'm probably just talking you guys' ears off. But I hope you guys will learn something, you know, having that good work ethic. On top of that, just love one another, be there for one another. Tomorrow's never promised. And thank you guys. Aloha and malama pono. Alright.